Hi guys, it's VShadow here. Hey, do you know how, oh yeah, yesterday I told you guys I'd be opening a collector's box? Well, I got it. First collector's box I've opened on camera. Not first one I've ever done, but yeah. Forces of Nature. One I wanted too. Okay, gonna have to lift that up. Show off the awesome cards. Oh, and another good thing, I got my binder that I wanted from Walmart. Put all of my sleeve cards I had sleeved in there. And I was at Walmart and I also found this. I wanted to buy this also. It's 15 cards in it, plus one promo or holo foil card. So let's begin by opening this. I guess you could call these blister cards. I've never bought one of these 15 card things. Never. I usually just buy packs. Yeah. I have never gotten one of these 15 card things ever. I can tell you what the first card is from this. Leafeon. Yeah, I kind of peeked at the back. Oh, that's my holo. Awesome. Leafeon. Nice. Gotta sleeve that in here. Not actually sleeve. Leafeon holo. Awesome. That would be a good card for Evolution collectors. Executor. Swellbro. Oh man, cards from all sorts of expansions. Drowsy. Execute. Slowpoke. Totodile! Bill. I hope I get Crocna. I need Crocna. Pokeball. Professor Oak's New Theory. Actually, I'm just gonna say trainer whenever I see a trainer. Energy. Ooh, good energies. Awesome! Awesome! 6 energies. Awesome! That's a good amount of energies for like yeah. I've been really needing energies. Actually, I just collect. I don't battle. I don't play. I don't do the battling. I just collect. But still, energies. Awesome. Leafeon holo. That'd be a great card for Evolution collectors. Yeah, now the collector's box. I'm not even going to show off the back because you guys have probably seen what the back says, so yeah. Just going to do that off camera, actually. Yeah. Ah, so annoying. Come on. Come on. Jeez, this stuff is hard to get off. And obviously, like most every other person that buys this collector's box, the reason why I bought this was for the guaranteed Thundurus, Landorus, and Tornadus, especially the full art Landorus. I can't really see that because, yeah. Put that right there. Yeah. Nice amount of energies. I've never gotten so many energies. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry, I knocked you over. Sorry.
Pokemon.